Hey folks, Sheila here from Design Files. In today's video, I wanted to just quickly talk about how you can actually shift your design around within the mood board editor. And if you are working on a smaller screen, then this is really going to come in handy for you, because if your smaller screen means that a portion of your design is going to be covered by the right side panel or the toolbar or even the boards panel at the bottom here, then these tips that I'm going to share within this video will come in very handy. So there's different ways that you can actually shift the canvas around. One, if you are clicking anywhere on the design, what you want to do is you're going to hold down the space bar on your keyboard and then click and hold down the left button on your mouse, and that will allow you to freely move your canvas around in the editor. Now, if you are clicking anywhere on the gray space, so if you can see the gray area surrounding your design, you actually don't have to hold down the space bar. You can just click with the left button on your mouse. So again, click and hold, and then you'll be able to shift the screen around. So this just means that if you need to drag your design over to center it or to just kind of shift it so you can work on a specific area, you've got that flexibility to do that. The other thing that you have access to is the zoom feature up here in the top left-hand corner. So if you want to zoom out, you can see that you can do that, and you can zoom back in. Now, when you zoom in and out, you're going to notice that your board is anchored to the top bar here. So if you want, let's say you've zoomed out, but you still want to center your design board, then again, you can click anywhere within the gray space or click anywhere on the design by holding down the space bar and then dragging with your left button on your mouse, and then you'll be able to center that design. Now, another thing that you have access to here is, let's go ahead and we're going to zoom in a little bit just to make this board nice and large. So let's say that you're on a smaller screen and a portion of your design is actually behind this right side panel. If you want, you can just click these arrows right here to collapse this, and that again will give you more workable space so that you can focus on doing whatever edits you want to your design. And then of course you can click on any of these icons to just relaunch or reopen the right side panel so you have easy access to it. And with the boards panel at the bottom, you can still open and close that as well. So using all of these kind of different tips for adjusting your screen within the mood board editor, it should really help make sure that you have all the space that you need to work on your designs. Of course, if you have any questions whatsoever about how to do any of the things that I just shared with you within this video, then please feel free to reach out to us on the live chat. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching.